All of our structured water generators operate from the same principles. We pride ourselves in the study of nature and its simple beauty. Our handheld portable devices will be used in our explanation of how our devices work to generate structured water. Natural action devices utilize a series of tuned resonant chambers. The chambers are comprised of special materials which are within the flow form. Through the materials and geometry, the tuned form induces a double vortex in the water as it enters and leaves the device. As the water moves through the chambers, a series of temperature and pressure fluctuations occur within the water. When combined with the double vortex motion, self-organization within the water occurs. The particle structure in any substance can significantly change the properties and characteristics of that substance. The iron bar has individual particles which represent tiny little magnets. As we align the iron bar to the Earth's magnetic poles and tap it, the particles begin to self-organize and align. A magnetic field then forms around the iron. Particle organization can also be transferred from one object to another through a magnetic or biomagnetic field. We can take a piece of magnetic iron and through relative motion, transfer organization from one piece of iron to another. The Earth has a biomagnetic field and is primarily composed of water. The Earth moves and rotates on its axis while in orbit around the Sun and has an iron core. This organization is transferred from one object to another, from the Sun to the Earth to iron and water through quantum and electromagnetic properties. Our device emulates this natural process of transferring organization from the flow form in the water. This microcosm demonstrates the macro-unifying and life-giving properties of water. Our flow form causes the water to spin 360 degrees simultaneously, creating the double vortex, which creates a biomagnetic field in and around the water. The health of a biological cell is largely related to the level of structuring within the water. A healthy cell is comprised of 90% water. A weak cell has less water with a weak field, and a healthy cell has a strong field. This is primarily due to the level of organization of the molecules in the water within the cells. The gas discharge visualization, GDV, is a device used to measure the biomagnetic field in a water droplet. After water passes through our device, a more energetic field can be seen around the water, enhancing its life-supporting properties. As water flows through any process, whether biological or mechanical, it can pick up free radicals, inorganic particles, and nutrients. Water molecules, organic, nutrient-rich particles, inorganic compounds and free radicals, aligned, organized water molecules. As the water enters the device, the flow form begins to create motion and resonance in the water. This is where the water begins to organize and align within itself. Once the water is organized, we call it structured water. As the water becomes more organized, it begins to align elements and affect their structure. The water then separates itself into two functions, that which more efficiently delivers nutrients and carries unwanted elements away more effectively. As the water passes through the flow form, the water becomes structured. The double helix motion duplicates natural water flow in streams. It is one of the key components in the organization process, which alters the water's properties, along with the field effect transferred from the special materials in the flow form. When water is structured, a type of biomagnetism occurs which amplifies the field around each cluster and within the whole connected water body. When water or other fluids are passed through our generators, such as wine or juices, they smooth and soothe the taste and texture of the fluid. The water also has more available oxygen, increased hydration, and supports enhanced nutrient absorption. It also assists in helping remove unwanted compounds, radicals, and other elements, all while delivering increased bioenergetic properties. Natural Action Technologies. Join our water revolution.